Welcome to the second video of chapter number 4. It's about data validation. This is a technique where we give a condition, like we validate our data with some conditions. Here is, for example, this is an example we have already. Illustration number 2, data validation. Here you can see hours are 10, rates £7, and 10 times the 7 equals to £70 is the pay. Now, in your data validation, it might be told you that hours should not be more than 60. Yeah, for example, inputting hours worked in a week from a timesheet, it could be known as no one should have worked more than 60 hours. So you are going to put data validation within equals to less than 60, 1 to 60, or less than 60. More than 60 is not valid. That's what you got to put it. How are you going to put it? So this is in this spreadsheet, C2 holds only the formula. Yeah, there is a formula, not a problem. Can you see? A2 times by B2. That's not a problem. But hours should be equals to or less than 60. And they give another data validation condition, basically. The rate should be between 8 and 20. Like, it should be more than 8 and less than 20. Minimum 8, maximum 20. Now, in illustration number 2, how do you do it? Set up a new spreadsheet above data and make A2 active cell. Here is the A2 active cell. And then they're telling us to go to data validation. And from the data tool, we're going to select these things. Just stay tuned. Again, this is selected. Follow my cursor on the right. The data, I'm already on the data. So data validation. Go into the data validation. From the settings, we're going to from any value to decimal. Now, is data is not in between, it should be this one, less than or equals to 60, right? We're going to write 60 from the keyboard. That has been done. Now, so far we have given the data validation, but here a little more. Under the input message tab, there is input message. Follow me here. Input message. Tab, enter warning as the title. Let's keep writing it down here then. Yeah, warning. I've written, and hours expected to be less than 60 as the input message. So let's write it down. Expected to be less than 60. Oh yeah, that's it. Now that is done. Then we can put the under error alert. Look at the right hand side. There's error alert. And tab change the style to warning. So style here, from here we can put it warning. And attention has the title. Here we can put title attention. Whatever they tell us, we're gonna follow, or in your real life, whatever suits you better, you can write it down. Check hours. Look too large. The error message. In this error message, we're gonna write check hours. Look too large. So if we set all these things and click OK. Now, and you see, whenever we take the cursor here in A2, there's already hours expected to be less than 60. Now 10 is less than 60, which is fine. But if we try to put 70, no, check hours, look too large. Yeah, that's what we put it. Yeah, so they said continue. You can put yes, no, of course no. We're gonna put no. Okay, okay, and click cancel. So that is your data validation. Now they're telling you to try set up B2 appropriate message prevent value outside the range of 8 to 20. You know, the B2 is this one, and they told us the rate should be 8 in between 8 and 20. Going into the data value, making it bigger for you. Going into the data validation. This is our data validation, and went into the data validation settings. From any value to decimal, it is in between. You know, minimum is 8 and maximum is 20. And then it input, we can write attention, we can write warning, attention, warning, anything. I'd like to write here attention. Yeah, what is the input message? Rate should be 8 to 20 sterling pound. Error is stop, warning, anything you can put here. Warning, title, and the title, anything, gain attention, warning. Yeah, out of range rate I'm writing. So just imaginary, whatever your boss tells you. So that's what. Look at this here. Attention rate should be between 8 to 20. Now it is already 7. Let's write it down 8 now. It's gonna take it. Yeah, then write it down 15 or 16. 15. It's gonna take it. Now I'm going to write 7 back here. No, it's not. It says attention here, out of rate, out of range rate. Yeah, so okay, so we're going back here again. Click warning shows. Here's the attention shows. So that's how you can check it out. Yeah, and yeah, that's how you do your data validation. Check out our next video on data manipulation. Till then, goodbye.